Hi Josey fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I hope you are all staying safe. If you are new here, hi, my name is Josey and this is my beauty channel. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and join the Josey family. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy beauty stuff and if you enjoy this video. So in this video fam, I'm going to share with you how I pack for my makeup appointment and a few excerpts from an appointment I had over the weekend, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video. So let's get into this video fam. So before I pack everything into my bag, I lay everything out, and as you can see, I have grouped my hair stuff on one side and my makeup stuff on the other side. That is the middle part, and this is my bigger bag where I pack everything into, and it also serves as a makeup stand or a makeup bag as well. So I am done cleaning the bag now, and I'm going to take my second makeup bag. This is my Lancome bag, and I'm going to give it a wipe as well. So after cleaning everything, I start packing my makeup stuff into this Lancome or this black smaller makeup bag. So fam, these are the only eyeshadows I'm going to take. My eyeshadow palette, this is the Jaclyn Hill and the Afrique palette. So some time ago I used to pack all the makeup I had when I had an appointment, but nowadays I just take what I need. My bride came for a pre-bridal makeup or trial, and so I know the foundations I'm going to take, and I'm going to do the bride sister's makeup as well. So I just take what I need, and those were my foundations, and this is my Revolution spray, and this is my Patricia Bride X Revolution face palettes. I took the You Are Gold and Dusk Till Dawn palettes, and I'm going to go ahead and pack my other stuff. And so here I took my primers. This is my Dr. Renault Strawberry and my Becca primer, those one hydrating primer and one mattifying primer. And these are my loose setting powders, my Laura Mercier and my Sasha setting powders. And next will be my pressed powder, and this is my LA Girl powder. And holding my hand now is my plate, or where I mix my foundations and primer or concealers. And so the next item is my concealers as well as my eyeshadow primer. That's my LA Girl Pro, my Revolution, and my Revolution eyeshadow base. And this is my lipstick palette, also from Revolution. And next is my pencil. I took a few colored pencils, and so I packed them into this reusable transparent bag so that I see everything. And so these are the pencils. I'm going to pack my pencils and other tiny things that I may lose. Those were my Maybelline lip pencils, and this is my Colorbox eyeliner and eyelash glue, and this is my gel liner as well, and this is my MAC concealer, and I'm going to put that in the bag. And these are my Laura & Loretta brow pencils as well as the brow gel. And these are my lipsticks, and those are going to go into this transparent bag as well. And this is my lip balm, my Vaseline lip balm, and that is my mascara, and that is another lipstick. And I'm going to take, yeah, that was an orange lipstick. And I packed my beauty blender, and now I just put in my Maybelline Master Chrome, and these are my eyelashes. All goes into my Lancome bag, and some few items as well. And this is my razor blade for trimming the brow as well. And so these are my tweezers and my small scissors. I pack everything into one bag, and that is my transparent bag so that I see everything. And so I'm going to put that into my Lancome bag. And these are my brushes, my face brushes and my eyeshadow brushes, as well as my sponges as well. And I pack everything in one bag. And finally, for my makeup set is my Colorbox LED mirror, and this is all the makeup I pack from into this small portable black bag. Yeah, my Lancome Paris bag. I love this bag so much because it is so portable and it fits all my makeup stuff. So fam, let's go into my big bag, and this bag is so user friendly, and it has a lot of pockets for my brushes. And I just quickly wanted to demonstrate how I use this bag for my makeup. And so the side pockets on this bag is where I keep my brushes. I sometimes keep my brushes there for when I have appointments, or I have an acrylic container that I organize my makeup brushes in, just so that it will help me to be more efficient. And so I pack all my small brushes on one side, and I pack my face brushes on the other side. And this bag has this kind of flat thing that I can put my products on, and it is so efficient. And I love how this bag holds my makeup stuff. And so this is a quick demo of how I use this bag when I am organizing my stuff on my day of appointment. And so that was a quick demo, and now I am going to pack all my hair products into this bag. And I'm going to pack my dryer, my curling wand, my got2b, my brushes, my hairpins, and all the smaller items and tools goes into another transparent bag. And I do this also for my hair stuff. So far, after packing everything, I put all the products and the hair tools into this bigger bag, as well as my smaller makeup bag also fits into this bigger bag. And so I'm going to close it up now and put it into the bigger bag. And so I also pack my ring light, and I am good to go. And so I am going to show you my bride after I finished with her makeup, and a few excerpts from her day and some few photos as well. And this is my bride sister, whom I also did the makeup for, and standing close to her is Lady Vicky, the hairstylist. And so my bride was told that it was time for her to make the grand entrance to the beautiful traditional Ghanaian wedding ceremony. And so this is the traditional bridal look, and I am going to show you the white wedding look I also did for my bride. And so this is my bride who is almost done, and both the traditional kente wear as well as the bridal gown was made by Vercon Costumes, and the photography was by Brent Photos. And I love how these photos turned out, fam. Isn't my bride looking beautiful and stunning? Makeup befitting a queen. And that is my beautiful bride sister, who I also freshened up and gave her a natural makeup look. And as you can see, she loves her look. And so I am done with my work and I'm packing out, and I am making sure that I pack everything I brought in to do my work. And that was me taking the ring light out, and I'm going to take the rest of my stuff. And that is Brent Photos, who takes beautiful pictures, and I love how the pictures of my bride came out. And I really enjoy the whole process of making up my bride. So at this point, everything is done. The bride is on her way to the church. And that's it for this video, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Bye, fam.